That's a hit. Do it again. That's a hit. There you go, 200 yards. That's one. It's right there on the left. Hello everyone, J Delta 22 here. We're back with the Tikka on the Tikka series. We are today at John Lenz Hunting and Education Complex. Some of the remaining snow, guys, is clear back there. Today we are testing target rifle from RWS versus SK Standard Plus. This is a different lot number. There it is. So down there at 50 yards is the target. Really appreciate you watching, and let's get shooting. All right, folks, here we are. Let me give you a little zoomy. It's a very nice and clear day today. We are back with the Tikka. We're going to shoot 10 shots. Right now we are doing RWS target rifle. So getting, let me get comfy here. And here we are. All right, we are going to do that. Hold on a second here. There we go. All right, folks. We are going to do that 2-inch sticky. Let me get my parallaxy ready. All right, here we go. I was shooting these at 100 yards last time. All right, here we go. 2-inch sticky. Let's go back to 0. All right. All right. 2-inch sticky on the left. That target got a lot of holes on it. All right, here we go.
Really? Yeah. And I saw him.
All right, that's a little low. We're going to shoot another one.
That's a long shot. And I was like, damn. It was the biggest.
All right. We're going to go up
I don't hunt, so.
about 5/10 of a mil.
But I just don't. That is I mean, especially here in North Carolina, that is.
There we go. Another 10 up and 110 left.
Well, this is what I found. Holy cow. 1 day later. Oh, damn.
There we go, folks. So we probably will shoot 2 more to make up for that first cold bore shot.
I don't know, but he was eaten, you know.
Again, this is RWS target rifle. All right, we're doing okay so far. All right, folks, looks like that was 10 rounds. Wow, that went pretty quick. All right. Stand by. We're going to load a couple more rounds. We'll be right back. All right, we're back. We're going to do a couple more shots on the target we were just shooting at. That was 10 shots. Went pretty quick. All right. All right. So that should be 12 shots. We made up for that one that landed off target. All right, stand by. We're gonna shoot 15 shots down on the 1-inch sticky. Let me warm up my hand. The wind just picked up. Woo! All right, that 1-inch sticky right below it. 15 shots of RWS target rifle, 50 yards.
circle good? Huh?
All right, so far so good.
Jose!
Ooh, we got a low one there. We got a couple of flyers there. Well, one got out. Two, they're touching, but oh yeah, we got two that got out. All right, folks, that was 10 rounds. Stand by, we're gonna send 5 more. Little bit of wind, but not that much. All right, one. All right, that's 4, and this should be the last one. And 5. All right, folks, stand by. We're going to switch to SK Standard Plus. All right, folks, we're back. We are going to shoot SK Standard Plus on that 2-inch sticky. First round. Oh, I think I need to load a magazine. Almost a senior citizens moment. All right. All right, folks, stand by. There we go. I did not load around. That was a senior citizens moment this time. We accounted for 2. There we go. We're not going to adjust anything. Let's see where it lands. There are 2 holes in the opening of the cardboard. The part that looks like a U. There are 3 shots there. They were already there. Right, it's landing to the right.
I cleared it now, though.
Ooh.
First
Stand by, folks.
hit the ring, man.
One round that I think I might eject by mistake.
Now let's clear the balls on the other side. One.
Yeah. Now it's going up.
I tagged it, but didn't hit it.
Trying to season it right there
You son of a bitch.
with the new wax.
What am I doing?
So that's what happens sometimes. You start adjusting and then the round find its target a little higher. That's what I decided not to adjust anything.
I finally hit it.
We are still recording. I see the flag moving.
Okay. Yep, it sure is.
There we go. That one went a little low again. That might have been the last one. Stand by, folks. Less than 15 downrange. All right, one of these got 5 and the other got 10. We don't know which one. So use this one right here. And then we'll know. All right. This is, again, if I didn't mention it, 6 times the plus 50 yards. We go. I'm aiming at the center red dot. Ooh, that one went a little low. Alright, looks like we got the 10-round magazine. Alright, folks, let's see. Yep, we got one more here, looks like. All right. All right, folks, that was it. So stand by. We are gonna load the 5-round magazine. Whoops. And we're gonna send 5 more down range. Here we go. Well, folks, I got a shell that would not extract. Well, actually got cut in the look at that flag. He's having a seizure. That might have been the last one. Ooh, that one went to the right. All right, folks, well, there you have it. 15 shots of SK Standard Plus. Let's go down range and take a closer look. All right, folks, here we are at the 50 yards. This is RWS target rifle. We were trying to find 0. Adjusted and not too bad. I think we did 12 rounds to make up for these 2. And then these are 15 rounds, got 2 flyers. Actually, this fly here belongs to this group. So 3 flyers, not too bad. And of course the wind picked up. and then we did 10 shots. We start hitting here and then automatically came up here. And then we did 15 shots. That's a new batch of SK Standard Plus on this side. So that's 15 shots. Got 1, 2 flyers, a little bit there. Not too bad. Not too bad. Looked like the Standard Plus shot a little better out of the Tikka. But there you have it, folks. Really appreciate you watching. Thank you for the support you give to this channel. And as always, be safe first. Have fun. And God bless. See you on the next one.